304 stainless, little pie cuts, back purged. I'm definitely not a professional, but amateur all the way, YouTube trained. Hashtag it. Alright, so we got like I think 35 on the gas, and then if I could do like 15 or so on the back purge, see what that does. Or maybe 20. Yeah, what that did about 20. Alright, so let's turn the gas on, let it purge a little bit. Alright, so I did a little bit of it. Turned out pretty good. If I could do this stuff more than once every 2 or 3 months, then it'd be alright. I missed my purge on those last couple. The aluminum foil, I guess I don't have down yet. I don't have a way of really keeping it in there real good. But it did alright, I think. I mean, like I said, I just need to kind of do it more frequent. I know my consistency, you can see right there, the purge, the foil came off and it said bye-bye. But yeah, I mean, it's alright. I dig it.